Does holding on ever make the pain go away? Be honest. How many times have you checked your phone, hoping for a message that never came? How many nights have you wondered, should I reach out? Should I block them? Or do they even care at all? The truth is, clinging doesn't heal you. It only deepens the wound. Real power isn't found in chasing, begging, or hiding. It's found in silence, acceptance, and growth. Here are 10 life-changing lessons that will help you move forward with strength and self-respect. 1. Accept what is, instead of wishing it were different. Pain grows when we resist reality. A breakup, betrayal, or rejection can feel unbearable, but the moment you accept it, healing begins. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Choose peace, not resistance." 2. Detachment is not coldness, it's freedom. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop giving someone else control over your happiness. When you let go with grace, you reclaim your power. 3. Moving forward is the real strength. It's not about forgetting. It's about refusing to let the past define your future. Every step forward is proof that your future is brighter than your memories. 4. Rebuild your identity. Losing someone doesn't mean losing yourself. It's an invitation to rediscover who you are. Learn, grow, explore, become the person you always wished to be. 5. Master your emotions. Every reaction gives away power. True strength is remaining steady when storms rage. Don't suppress emotions, discipline them. A mountain doesn't move because of the wind. 6. Let silence speak. Words can be twisted, but silence is unforgettable. When you walk away with dignity, you leave a stronger mark than arguments ever could. 7. Turn pain into growth. Every wound is an opening for transformation. Instead of drowning in loss, invest in becoming better. Growth is the most powerful answer to rejection. 8. Choose acceptance over control. Life flows and people come and go. When you stop forcing outcomes, you start living in peace. Resistance multiplies suffering, but acceptance dissolves it. 9. Stop seeking closure. Not every story gets a final chapter. Waiting for apologies or explanations traps you. Closure is something you create, not something they give. 10. Practice indifference. Indifference doesn't mean apathy, it means freedom. It's recognizing that your worth isn't tied to anyone else's choices. This quiet strength makes you unshakable. Remember this: you don't need to beg for attention. You don't need to prove your value. Your silence, your growth, and your self-respect say more than words ever could. Keep moving forward. And if this message resonated, share it with someone who needs strength today. Stay calm. Stay strong. Keep living with purpose.